we're going to set up the Snowfoam OG Plus lance. First off, let's open it up. You'll have the clear bottle, the lance head, the tube with the weighted ball at the end, and your accessories to put it together. So today we're going to be putting on this OG lance onto our short trigger gun. So we're going to set it up with a 1/4 inch adapter at the end. So firstly, we have the little adapter here, and we're going to wrap it with the 1/4 inch tape. So about 5 rotations around this thread. So we'll wrap this around 5 times. And we're just gonna screw it into here. Use some tools and get this super tight. We'll get this little tube here and we'll plug it into here. And we just screw it on. Okay, so now if you have your short trigger gun set up, all you want to be doing is pulling back this end piece and plugging in the OG Plus, and you've got your full setup like that. Enjoy!